Okay, so this is the SKAR 4-channel amp. It's an RP-75.4. You can run 75 watts of 4 channels at 4 ohms. It's 115 watts 4 channel at 2 ohms, and it's 250 watts at 2 channels at 4 ohms. So mono. So we're gonna go ahead and run this guy here, or open it up. I mean, a bit of tape here. Looks like. Oops. Always got to cut shallow. Alright. Here's the amp right here. It's taped up here pretty good. So. Take some of the tape off here. It's definitely heavy, a lot heavier than I was expecting. So here's the amp. And then here are your connections. It's like you have some 8-gauge connections in here, and then your speakers out here. All of our inputs here, along with your different individual switches or adjustments for your gain, crossover, etc. And a connection for a remote. So I'm looking forward to running this thing. There's some pretty good things about it, so I'll be excited to hear how it goes. I'm going to be running it just on my front speakers. If you guys have looked at previous videos, you see those. Those are the SPX 65Cs. I'll be running just those off of this, and so we'll hear how that sounds. So let's see what's coming in here. Looks like a manual. Some mounting hardware and an Allen wrench. That's about all that's in there. So anyways, again, here's the amp. It's 4-channel. Pretty excited about it. Should be pretty sweet. And I will install it at some point and give you guys another review on how it sounds. Alright, thanks for watching.